Yo, what is guys? In this video, I'm showing you guys how you can go ahead and create a custom lead magnet from a Google form. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of set the scenario of what this automation is going to help with. So let's say you are a content creator and you are selling a service, whatever the service might be. And you are creating content, so YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and you are running a funnel. And within this funnel, you're directing people using CTAs into um, a landing page, and within that landing page, you've got a lead magnet funnel. So within that, you've got a Google form or a form. That's what's so powerful about Make.com. You can connect different forms into this. So, for example, if you're using Tally, you can use that, implement it into your landing page, stuff like that. But essentially, which you're still using Google Forms, right? Yeah, you get the information from them, unless you're asking for their name, email, what type of business they are. So, for example, they might be a SaaS agency, and then you can also go ahead and um, ask, for example, the biggest problem they're struggling with, right? So you get that information, and then you send that information into ChatGPT, and ChatGPT will create your custom lead magnet. For example, if you want to create a ebook, go ahead and do that. You can get ChatGPT to create one for them. You can go ahead and create a game plan for them as well. And the really powerful thing with ChatGPT is you can customize this to how you want to create it. So, for example, if you want to create a game plan in a specific format with your specific knowledge and how you would go about it, you can add that into ChatGPT to create a valuable document. So, yeah, regarding that, moving on to the third module here we've got, which is Google Docs, creating a document. We're adding all this information that we're getting from ChatGPT into Google Docs, into one document, and then essentially we're downloading that document, and then for the final module, Gmail, we're sending that PDF that we've downloaded into the email back to them. Okay, so very, very simple automation. Essentially, just to summarize it a little bit, we're getting information from them from our landing page. We're creating a customized ebook or game plan for them, or whatever you might want to come up with. Then we are downloading that document, and then we are sending them the email back via PDF and tailoring it back to them. So saying, look, hi name, which is the name you got from the Google form, and then implementing that into the email, saying, look, I've created this this custom game plan for you. Hope you find it useful. Right? So you can go ahead and do that. Obviously, you can get creative with it. If you think of better ideas, you can also add, for example, a delay on this. Make a 5-minute delay on it. Make it seem a little bit more realistic. Or you can go ahead and do whatever else you like. If you want to create 2 documents, go ahead and do that. Create 2 different ones. But yeah, you get really creative with it. It's really, really powerful in the sense that you're able to customize what you're creating to your knowledge, which I think is really important, because if you just ask ChatGPT to create a game plan, it might not be, really specific to what you know, and how you would go about it, which is really important if you're doing like coaching or anything. So yeah, hope you guys found that useful. If you guys want to see the configurations for this, or if you guys have any questions, do let me know down in the comments below. But other than that, hope you guys found that useful, and I will see you guys in the next one.